Let's see how to use Hostinger business email for free. So first of all, we need to log into our Hostinger Edge panel. Now from the Hostinger Edge panel, click on emails from the left menu. Here you will see the domains and the email accounts that are available. So we are going to click on manage from here. Now scroll down and here you will see the mailboxes options, and under it you will see all the emails that you have created for this domain. So I've created 3 webmails for this domain, like freesite@atharweb.com, contact and info. Now if you want to use or log in any webmail, just click on this arrow button next to it. Now here we need to enter our webmail and password and then click on login. And as you can see that right now we are in the webmail inbox. Here we will see all the emails that we have received. Now to send email, just click on compose, add the sender, add the email subject, add the content that you want, and after that you can also attach a file that you want. Once you are done, just click on send. And as you can see that our message is now sent, and we can also see it from here. So this is how you can use webmail in Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.